Hi guys, I'd like to show you our New Zealand penwood deep box. Well, actually, I have two samples. Both are unassembled, but this one I have put the boards together. Thickness, the thickness is 22 millimeters. The typical Australian boxes. Rebate. I know rebate is very popular in Australia, but honestly, I don't know why. Because we usually make, finger joint and dovetail joint. What I'm trying to say is, we can manufacture it. We can also provide 22 millimeters thickness. Well, look, you can see this part is not so beautiful because there's something wrong with our handle making knife. So we used an old knife, so it's not so perfect. Here in our factory, it's also called a little bit quality problem. When we make a bulk cargo, when we manufacture products for clients, we will avoid it. We call it quality problem. Here, just check the sample. Well, I believe bulk cargo will be more beautiful than the sample. My colleague, he just made the samples very fast, too quickly. So it's not so perfect. What I'm trying to say is, we have ability to manufacture the typical Australian boxes. So you may ask us about delivery time at any time. Well, I'm serious about it. Well, I will try my best. Not to blow it up. Okay. Hey, I know some people meet some quality problem, mainly because they can't put frames inside. Some people meet the problem that the length is too small, not large enough to put frames. Well, in our factory, this won't happen. This will never happen. So you don't need to worry about quality problem at all. Because honestly, this quality problem is a little, well, sorry, I can't judge it, but but you don't need to worry about it in our factory at all. But well, I'm gonna take some pictures to make sure you can see more about this typical box. Thanks for watching. Bye.